Let me teach you YouTube in a way you've never heard before. No algorithms, no tricks, no fake promises. Just one simple idea that controls every video you've ever watched. If you understand this, YouTube stops feeling confusing. The big idea. Here's the truth. YouTube is not a video platform. It's a decision-making machine. Every time someone sees your video, YouTube asks one question. Backhand index pointing right, will this person care? Or scroll. That's it. Not your camera. Not your editing. Not your subscriber count. Just that one decision. How viewers really think. Let me show you something. When people open YouTube, they are not looking for creators. They're looking for relief. Relief from boredom, confusion, stress, curiosity. Your video is not content. Your video is a solution. If the viewer feels understood, they click. If they feel nothing, they scroll. The one feeling rule. Here's something most people never do. They try to say too much in one video. Big mistake. Every great video focuses on one feeling. One. Examples. I don't want to mess this up. I feel stuck. I want clarity. I'm scared to start. Before you upload, ask yourself, backhand index pointing right, what should the viewer feel after this video? If you can't answer that, the video will fail. Why small channels actually win. Here's the part no one tells you. Small channels have an advantage. You can talk to one person. Big creators talk to crowds. You talk to an individual. When your video feels like it was made just for them, people watch longer. They trust you. They come back. That's how channels are built. Not viral moments. Connection. So here's your lesson. Don't try to beat the algorithm. Understand the human. One video, one person, one feeling. If this made sense to you, like the video and subscribe, because this channel is about building YouTube the smart way. I'll see you in the next one.